Welcome, my dear students. Children, today we will be discussing about the difference between the package and the module. As I have already told you that that module is nothing but a file which have certain functions. It has some classes, objects, and some statements. So we will in today's video we will be discussing about that how to call those functions and how to run the how to call that module in our Python program. So I have already created certain modules. I have created one module with the name area.py. In this, I have created two functions, square underscore a and rect underscore a. And I have already created one more module with the name volume. So in this, I have created two function vol1 and vol2. So let's do the practical of the same, that how to run this particular module in our how to run this module in a Python program. So there are two ways to call that modules in the program. One is we will simply write import. But I'm trying to import. I am trying to import those modules. First, for example, I am importing area first of all. So import area. Now I am using print statement to call upon those functions which I have created in the area. So in area, I have created two functions. One is rec. So the way of calling is we have to write down area, then rec underscore a. This is the function name, and here I am providing the actual arguments. Now, this is the two-line code, and how to run it. Let's suppose I'm saving it once again, and I am naming it with r.py. Let's suppose, so my output will be 30. Obviously, area of a rectangle it is created, so output will be 30. 5 into 6, 5, 6 the 30. So this is one way, and I can use all the functions in the program. I have now tried to use the another module. I have created volume, and here I need to write volume uh, volume dot. I have named the function vol1. I have named the function vol1. How many arguments I have provided here? I have provided only one argument. Now let's suppose I want to use both the functions which are there in the volume module. That means vol1 and vol2. So one way of writing this, I can write here like this: from volume import star. From volume import star. When we are using this module, this particular statement, there is no requirement of putting the dot here. I can straight away give print statement, print, let's suppose vol2, and here I have given 67. I have given here 67. The two brackets will come, and now let's run this code. So answer is there in front of you. So this way we can do the practical of the module, that how to call the module in the Python package. In the Python program. Now I have created one package also. How we can make it a difference, how the package is different from the module. Because in package, for example, I have created a package with the name package1. In package, I have to create a external file. You can see here init underscore init underscore. This is the extra file which does not contain anything, but it act as a initiation of my package. When my package have this file, so this particular thing is known as a Python module, Python package. So this way how we'll create the package. In the next video, we will discuss that how to call the package within the Python program. Okay, stay tuned for that time. So, children, let's discuss about the packages. As I have discussed in the previous video that how to create a module and how to use the module. Now we will learn that how to create the package. In package, I can show you, I have already created one package. You simply, how to create the package, first of all, you have to make use of these commands. You simply write import OS. That means I am creating a kind of a directory within my system. Okay, os dot mkdir, that means I am doing making a directory, whatever package name you want to create. For example, I have created the package as Vandana, right? So now you can see this thing here when I'm opening all the files of the Python. So here you can see the name Python Vandana is already there, but as you can see here, there is no file included in this. So how to make a package is first thing that you need to save. What I need to do, and you need to save this init file into the package. So I'm dragging and dropping this thing into the Vandana. Right now, in my package Vandana, I have this init file, which is a kind of a initiation part for my package. Second thing, let's suppose I'm dragging and dropping some other modules. For example, I have this thing I have, let's suppose I'm making area.py. I have one module, so I'm simply save as, where I'm saving it right now, I am saving in the package Vandana. I have selected here area dot area dot py. uh, let's do it once again. Here I'm selecting, and here now you can see I have saved this thing. Area.py is saved in the package Vandana. Similarly, I have one more module with me with the volume. So I am saving this module, save as. I am saving this module again into the package name as Vandana. So I am simply writing volume.py here, and I'm selecting the package or the folder which I have created with the help of import OS, and I have simply open it and save it. So now you people can see this thing in Vandana. This is the package. This is now package. I have two modules, area and volume. Now I'll call this module within the Python program and run my programs and run the functions which is present in these files. So I'm creating a new script. So what I need to call? I need to call from Vandana. What I'm trying to import, I want to import two modules. The modules are area comma volume. Area comma volume. So all the functions of the area and volume are directly available for the use in the Python program. So simply I'm writing print, uh, let's suppose area has one function. I need to mention here that from area dot I am calling underscore a. Let's suppose 34 value I have provided here. Now let's call one more function of volume. I need to write volume dot vol1, let's suppose. But area I need two arguments, otherwise it will create an error. In volume I can pass one argument. Let's suppose I have 32, I have passed. So this is a kind of a package, how we call the package, and let's run this program now. So I am saving it with, let's suppose, o.py, and then let's see. So here is the answer in front of you, that how my package runs. So main difference between the package and the module is that in package I have special file which is known as init underscore dot py. Every package must contain this file. So try out these practical at your home. I hope you like the video. Thank you.